Begin by melting your brown sugar, butter, golden syrup and black treacle. Leave to cool down, and then in a mixing bowl add in your milk and your egg. Give it all a whisk together. Whisking your egg yolk activates the protein in the egg, which provides structure for your cake. Once your prepared mixture has cooled down, now it's time to add it in to your eggy milk mixture. Give it a little whisk through, then add in your bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda, and whisk till combined. Sieve in your flour, fold the flour into the wet batter and then move on and use a whisk and mix until relatively smooth liquid batter remains. Now time to grease your bundt cases. I use a Fry Light 1 cal spray. It works really well for bunts. Fill the cases about 3/4 full with your batter. Tap the cases on the counter and then bake those bunts. Here they are, lovely and bronzed and risen well. Cool upside down and they will sit relatively flat. Time to remove from the cases. One method is to roll the silicone case down over itself, releasing the cake. My preferred method is to gently squeeze the tip of the bundt case, releasing the air and then releasing the cake quite easily. As you can see here, there's very little cake is left behind. For the tins, just tap and they should release quite easily. Look at the lovely shine the tallow tins leave on the bunts. Here's my bundt babies. Glazing time. Make sure your glaze is very thick but pourable. You can just drizzle on the glaze with a spoon, but I like piping on with a piping syringe, going down the grooves and then shaking the bundt, provided the glaze isn't setting up too quickly. If it is, just gently encourage it down the grooves. Fill the hole with remaining glaze and top with some crystallised ginger pieces if you desire. Can be decorated for Christmas time or any time of the year you like. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy baking, bakers!